Welcome to another RobArt video. Before it begins, let me remind you to kindly subscribe to the channel and to click the notification bell. This is so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Also, if you enjoy this video, please press the icon to like it and to consider leaving a comment to let me know what you think. And finally, don't forget to share the video on several networks as well as follow me on these social media sites. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. This is a quick recording to show you how to use the website to find a product you may want to buy in the shop. Now this is my front end, and you'll see that there's a selection of items in the menu, one of which is shop. You can click on this element or this element. Both of them will take you to the same shop, which will be this front. Okay, once this is loaded, you'll notice at the top there's some introductory information, which I'll do in a different video. You'll see some reviews of the people who bought my products, and you'll see the click here. You can actually watch an advert that I created as well. Okay, but further down, you'll see a selection of the different kind of products I'm doing. Like so, and you'll notice at the moment there's 24 pages. Now, to find a product, you can either go through each of the pages. Let's just jump a few, just to show you there are different things on each page. Like so. Okay, you'll notice there's a difference between animal prints or celebrities. And that's one way to look for it. Go through each of the pages until you find what you want. Another way to do it is to basically use this option here. So for instance, if you only want animals or you know the specific animal series, you can actually choose there. You can choose whether it's animal clothing, animal prints, or you can do, say for instance, you want somebody from Caricature Celebrity Sunday 2, which is the latest versions. You can click on this, and all the system will do is restrict the search to only showing those options in the storefront. Right, so these are all my celebrities from season 2. You notice now there's only 5 pages to go through. That's one way to do it, and you can then click on whichever you want. Say for instance you want Anthony Hopkins, you can click on the prints or whatever. Now let's just say for instance you want to find somebody you can't see instantaneously and you don't want to go through the pages. What you could do, for instance, is click on this button here and say, for instance, you wanted Frank Zappa. Okay, you click Frank Zappa into the search, you press return. The system then looks for Frank Zappa and shows you all the different elements you can buy for Frank Zappa. If you're happy with that and you want to buy one, say, for instance, you want to buy one of the posters, you can click on the poster. The poster will appear with a preview. And so as you can either scroll through them using these arrows to see the different sizes. You can just choose which one you want. Say, for instance, you want 12 by 18. It will show you the size change instantaneously. If you want to know how big that is next to a person, you can click on this little icon and it will show you 12 by 18, which is that one. Okay, and you can see how it fits next to the person. Okay, now you can either have it framed or unframed. So the framed version will give you some extra information about the frame and change the price. Okay, and there'll be some other extra information below discussing in detail more about the actual information to do with the product. If you're all happy with that, you can then just press add to the basket and it will add to the basket. Now, say for instance you like the idea of buying the t-shirt instead of the print, you can go back. We can go to search Frank Zappa again. And say for instance you want the t-shirt, you click on the t-shirt. And again, it shows you a preview. This is the default color, white, but you can choose whichever one you want. So you want it on a blue steel. And it'll automatically give you a preview. It gives you the size chart, like so. And it gives you a little bit more extra information there about sizing and everything. There is a size chart, so you can find out in metric and imperial sizes, which is your nearest size, like so. Okay, and if you're happy with that, you can add it to the cart and buy it. Okay, that's basically how you find a product on the website.